Hello guys, welcome to the third tutorial where we are going to continue our building our saving app. So right now like everything is working well and what we need is we start with the login and register. So I don't want to write the login or register because I have done that so many times. So what I would just do is that I would take this all and copy paste it there and just explain you what is happening. I'm sorry guys, I'm a bit lazy, but you know that I have done this, the register and everything. I've done it a lot of time, and if you have been following my channel by now, you should be able to implement this on your own too. So let's come in here and I can just maybe try to explain what is happening. So what is this? We take our views and we create an instance of Firebase authentication and Firestore, and then like whatever we are catching the the views we are casting, the view casting is happening, and then like this is progress dialog. It's up to you if you want it or not. It's like it shows you registering and whatever, and then this takes you to like the switch, the button, and simple Firebase authentication. There is a this is the native method of Firebase authentication where you can create a user. So yeah, this is done, and then like similar to this is that we go to the login fragment and we can use the same code, I guess, and yeah, it will be fine. So what login is doing for us is that it is just taking us to uh, and after pasting it, I'll just try to, there is nothing much to explain in that, but so the error is that I'm seeing is because obviously action login to, because we have updated the names of the fragments, and that is why this is from the all project. So all goals fragment, and all goals fragment. Okay, so now if this copy paste is successful, then obviously like we would be able to register the user and log in with it. So up until here this is like pretty basic, but in the once we are registered successfully, then you would be able to see like creating a dialog and like not having to open another activity, just adding the goal right away with the dialog interface. Yeah, so let's just be patient. So looks like our app still hasn't launched. Okay, let's just wait. So once we use one thing I forgot, once we use uh, fragments, you have to enable multi-desks. uh, yeah, I guess these are the right spelling for this, but let's try it out. Okay, yeah, it works. Okay, so let's just rerun the app. Once you have like navigation graph, just blindly put it here. This always throws an error if it's not there in the module uh, build.gradle. Okay, so our app is launched, and yeah, if we click register, we'll be taken to register fragment, and if we click login, we will be taken to login fragment. And let's try to click register, and we will see the errors. So let's just try to register sam at gmail.com, and password must be in numbers because that's how I set it. 1 2 3 4 5 6, and we click register. So this was, I was talking about the dialog interface, the PD progress dialog that you see in the register fragment. And if it's successful, then we'll know soon that okay, if there is an error or not. Okay, what could be the error? Operation not permitted. Okay, yeah, so we have this error here, and let's just check our fire. This is enabled. Then what could be the reason? And our app is connected to, yeah, maybe the plugin is missing. No, the plugin is not missing. There is an error called, let's just try to Google it. Okay, yeah. Oh, well, maybe let's try to uninstall it one more time, because, or maybe let's just try to reset the emulator, because this is working if you are testing your app on the phone, on your physical device, then I'm sure it is working. Okay, let's just go in. I'll choose the 10 version. Let's try to rerun the app. So now this will take some time, and maybe we have to wait. So we are back on our new emulator. Let's click register, and I hope this is connected to Wi-Fi, but we'll see. And these input fields that you see are from the Google material design, so make sure to check out the layout files where you can understand more about them. Okay, we'll see what happens now. app is stuck for some reason. Let's go to database and see if this registers the user. So user has not been registered because of some weird error. Back to Android Studio, because right now I don't have access to my phone, so I'm not sure if I can. Oh yeah, so it registered successfully. Okay, yeah. So in practice the code is not wrong, but maybe, yeah, you see the user is already here, and if we go to Firestore, then like you see the credentials here. So in practice the code is not wrong, but maybe just because internet or like some emulator, like it was doing this weird behavior. So let's close all, and this tutorial is already long, so let's add our first goal in the next tutorial. Okay,